If you want to make it addictive, listen carefully. This technique is extremely easy to implement. You just need to make sure you have the best date possible. Laugh, spend time together, etc. The goal is for the person to be ecstatic. Keep in mind that the better the date goes, the more effective this technique will be. So, don't neglect the dating phase at all. Once everything has gone well, send them a final message like, "Did you get home safely? I really enjoyed the time we spent together." After that, disappear. No more messages. Let the magic happen. You'll drive that person crazy. And believe me, those who comment, saying that it won't work on them, don't listen to them. They are usually the ones who fall most easily into this kind of trap. She will want to know why you disappeared, especially since you had a good time together. It will touch their ego and self-esteem, making them feel obligated to contact you again or even try to arrange another date to reassure themselves that they did nothing wrong during the first date. Use this with moderation. This technique is lethal.